Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a focused Figma file so you can work fast. Create a 1920x 1080 frame and import SVGs, PNG, and audio early. This prevents layout backtracking later. Once done, name layers and group related elements into components so you can reuse them across scenes. Make sure to set a consistent grid and typography scale. That helps pacing and alignment when you animate. These steps get you from blank canvas to a structured workspace ready for scene building. Now you design scenes and choreograph motion. Place each scene on its own frame and reuse components to keep consistency. That reduces editing time. Use Smart Animate for simple transitions or install a keyframe plugin like Figmotion for precise control. Adjust timing deliberately. Shorter 200-600 ms micro animations versus longer 800-1500 ms scene changes. Also stagger element delays to guide attention. Once animations are finished by exporting and validating playback. Export animated frames as MP4 via a plugin or record the canvas, then sync audio in your editor. Separate audio gives better control. Use H. 264 at 2430 fps and a 48 mbps bitrate for smooth 1080p output. If glitches appear, troubleshoot, disable heavy layer effects, flatten complex vectors, and update or remove conflicting plugins. Finally, review the full exported file end-to-end. That ensures timing, visuals, and audio all match your design intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.